tester.
Vacuum tester.
And another drill doctor.
And a drill doctor. 20 and go. 20 bid, 20 bid, 20 bid, $10 and go. 10 little bit, 10 little bit, 5. Bottom of the bid, 7. Bottom of the bid, 7. Bottom of the bid, 7. Now 10, 10, 10, 12, 15, 17. 15, 17, $15. 206, 206. What do you suppose they put one to?
I have no idea.
Pretty handy.
Yeah.
What's that? Spare tire. Spare tire.
Spare tire, yeah. Pair of them. Getting a pair of these.
There you go. How do you now? They're actually heavy.
Yeah, they are.
Heavy now. 15 go. 50 to the bin now. 50 to the bin now. 50 to the bin now. 20 and go. 20 to the bin now. 20 to the bin. You could roll, put on the back of the car, roll around the shop. Maybe that's what it was. No, actually.
Yeah.
So what are you calling them?
Dollies.
Dollies. 20 and go. 20 to the bin now. 20 to the bin. 20 to the bin. 20 to the bin. $10 and go. 10 to the bin. 5. 5 to the bin. 5 to the bin. 5 to the bin. You can't build anything like that. 7. 5. 7.
Yeah.
10. 12. 15. 12 to the bin. 15. $12.
Oh, that a pig?
Nice tripod.
I know you do that shit to me.
20 go. 20 to the bin, 20 to the bin, 20 to the bin, $10 a go. 10 to the bin, 10 to the bin, 5. 5 to the bin, 5 to the bin, 5 to the bin, $2 a go. $2, 3, 10 to the bin, 3, 10 to the bin, now 3. Now 4, now 5, 7, 10,
You will
12,
too, sir.
10, 12, 10,
You
12,
will too,
15,
sir.
12, 15, 12 to the bin, 15, 232. 232.
What was that? What was the number?
232.
232.
232. Yeah, 232.
Place in the end, piece of railroad iron anvil.
There you go, get that right there. 20 and go. 20 to the bin, 20 to the bin, 20 to the bin, 20 to the bin, $10 and
You
go.
made the vise. Little Giant, that should be in Littlestown.
$10 and go.
Be in Littlestown.
15, 10 to the bid, 15, 10 to the bid, now 15, now 20. 15, 20, 15 down to the bid, 20, 15 down to the bid, 20. $15, 232.
Just push it straight back.
Got the belt and disc sander, Delta.
Elda, nice one there. 15 go, 10 to the bid, now 50 to the bid, now 20 and go. 20 to the bid, now 20 to the bid, 20 to the bid, $10 and go. 10 to the bid, 5, 5 to the bid, 5 to the bid, 7, 5 to the bid, 7, now 10, 15, now 20. Now 20, now 5, now 30, now 5, 30 to the bid, 5. I got you. Now 40, 35, 40, 35 to the bid, 40, 35, 40, $35, 172. I wouldn't miss you.
We got another Littlestown, number 3. Nice little anvil place, guys.
Clamper on your table, 20 and go, 20 to the bid, 20 to the bid, $10 and go, 10 to the bid, 10 to the bid, 5, 5 to the bid, 5 to the bid, 5 to the bid, $2 and go, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5 to the bid, 7, 5 to the bid, 7, $5, 33.
Throw her in that box.
Which box is that?
Set the stuff down.
Somewhere there.
Wooden box back there.
Oh yeah, put it in that wooden box, please. Should be right behind him. Yep.
Slide it behind you.
U.S. General. Yep, AC 134.
Yep, AC, yeah.
There you go, 15 go, 20 and go, 20 to the bid, 20 to the bid, 20 to the bid, $10 and go. 10 to the bid, 5, 5 to the bid, 5 to the bid, 5 to the bid, $2 and go. 10 to the bid, 2 to the bid, 2 to the bid, 2 to the bid, $1 and go. Down to the bid, 2, down to the bid, 2, now 3, now 4, now 5, 7, 10, 7 to the bid, 10, $7, 33.
Battery charger.
That's a good old charger there. How many
It
now?
is.
15 go, 50 to the bid, 50 to the bid, 50 to the bid, 20 and go. 20 to the bid, 20 to the bid, $10 and go. 10 to the bid, 10 to the bid, 5. 5 to the
Yep.
bid, 7, 5 to the bid, 7, 5 to the bid, 7, 5 to the 7, 10, 12, 12, 10, 12, 10 to the bid, 12, $10, 183. Getting an old box of clams. They're old straight on spring clams there. 20 and go, 20 to the bid, 20 to the bid, $10 and go. 10 to the bid, 5. 5 to the bid, 5 to the bid, $2 and go. To the bid, 2 to the bid, $1 bill, 2, $1 bid, 2, $1 bill, 232.
Air cleaner.
Speedway. There you go, 15 go. 20 go, 20 to the bid, 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 $10 and go. 10 to the bid, 5, 5 to the bid, 5 to the bid, 5 to the bid, 5 to the bid, oh, we missed it. $2 and go. 2 to the bid, 2 to the bid, 2 to the bid, $1 bill, 2, $1 bid, 2, $1 bid, 2. Now 3, now 4, now 4, 5, 4 to the bid, 5, $4, 169, 169.
We got the Niehoff wire service kit. And she's loaded with terminals. It is.
15 go, 50 to the bin, 50 to the bin, 20 go. 10 to the bin, 5, 7, 5 to the bin, 7, now 10, 12, 10, 12, 15, 17, 15, 17, now 20, 17, 20, 17 down to the bin, 20, 17, 20.
Back here.
Right here. $17, 152.
Thank you. Empty and an ammo box.
There you go.
2 boxes, 1 money, ammo box.
$10 a go, then it'll be 5, 5 to the bin, 5 to the bin, 5 to the bin, 2 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 to the bin, 3, 2 to the bin, down 3, 2 to the bin, down 3. $2, 265, 265. Now you get the pop rivet.
Pop rivet set.
2 guns.
3 guns.
3 guns, bunch of pop rivets. All for 1 money. $5 a go.
In the box, ready to go.
5 to the bin, 5 to the bin, 5 to the bin, $2 a go. To the bin, 2 to the bin, 2 to the bin, 2 to the bin, 2 to the bin, down to the go. Down to the bin, down to the bin, down to the bin. What are we missing, guys? Down to the go.
Wait a minute.
Somebody's got to have a neighborhood on
Dollar
light.
two, dollar bill. 212, 212.
What was the number?
212.
212.
Trade lot of air tools. 20 go. 20 air hammers, air drills, sanders, impact. 20 go. 20 bin, 20 bin, 20 bin. $10 a go. 10, 12, 10 to the bin, 12, 10 to the bin, 12, 10 to the bin, 12, 10, 12. $10.
Timing lights, vacuum pump.
Timing light, vacuum pump, get her all.
See if you have a heart.
There you go.
Here's got a heart.
$10 and go. 10 to the bin, 10 to the bin, 5. 5 to the bin, 5 to the bin, 5 to the bin, $2 and go. To the bin, 10 to the bin, 10 to the bin, dollar bill. Now 2. Down to the bin, 2. Dollar bill. 232. 232. Getting that little box.
Hardware, all kind of wire strippers. We got your amp
There you
types.
go. Staples, fuses, circuit breakers, whatever it is in there. Switches.
Wire stripper.
15 go, 50 to the minute, 20 go, 20 minute, 20 minute, $10 and go, 10 to the minute, 5 to the minute, 5 to the minute, 5 to the minute, 5 to the minute, $2 and go, to the minute, 2 to the minute, 3, to the minute, now 3, $2, $2.24.
These are mostly all vice grip,
There
Brandon.
you go. These are the vice grip.
These are vice grip.
Bunch of them on there. All
We
vice
got
grip.
polars.
That looks like a 15 go. 50 to the minute, 50 to the minute, 50 to the minute, 20 go. 20 to the minute, now 5. Now 30, now 30, now 5. And 40, and 5. 40 and 5. 4 to the minute, 5. 4 to the minute, now 5. $40. $195. We can go here with these air tools.
Did he buy them or just set them there with you?
Yeah, we got the 40 cable circular saw, $10 and go, 10 to the bid, 5, 5 to the bid, 5 to the bid, $2 and go, 3, to the bid, now 3, to the bid, now 3, now 4, now 4, now 5, and 5, and 7, 7, 10, 10, 12, 15, 12, 15, 12 to the bid, 15, $12, 137, 137.
Valve spring compressor, specialty crimping tools.
There you go, whole tray lot there.
Good tray.
There you go, little
Anvil. That's USA.
20 to the bid, 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 5, 5 to the bid, 7, 10, 10, 12, 12, 15, 15, 20 to the bid, 15, 17, 15, 17, 15, 17, $15, 160, 160.
160.
160, 160. Folders, everything there. 20 go. 12 in, 12 in, 12 in, 10. Corner point, $10 and go. 15, 10 to the bid, 15, 15, 20, 20, 20 to the bid, 5, 25, now 30, now 30, now 30, now 30, 25 to the bid, 30, $25, 232.
We got a nice tray of sockets here, Brandon.
Nice, nice, nice tray. 15 go, 50 to the bid, 50 to the bid, 50 to the bid, 20 go, 20 to the bid, 20 to the bid, 20 to the bid, $10 and go, 10, 10, 10, 5, 7, 10, 12, 15, 17, 20, 22, 25, 22, 5, 22 to the bid, 5, $22, 160, 160. Hey, we got another nice.
About 160 again.
Yep. Snap on.
Some of these had snap ones.
There you go. Old tray lot.
Craftsman.
More sockets, if the
Sockets.
Yep, a lot of deep well.
25.
Deep
20
well
to the bid, 5.
impact.
20 to the bid, now 5. 20 to the bid, now 5.
Yeah.
5 and
Your
5 and 30, now
swivels.
30, now 30, now 5. 30 to the bid, 5. 30 to the bid, now 5. $30, 160, 160. What's that? Another tray load of sockets, 20 and go, 20 to the bin, 20 to the bin, 20 to the bin, $10 and
All
go.
indexed out there.
10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 30, 30, 25, 30, 25 to the bin, 30, $25, 160, 160.
Air drills, air ratchets,
Impact,
air impact.
20 to the bin, 20 to the bin, 20 to the bin, $10 and go, 10 to the bin, 15, 10 to the bin, 15, 10 to the bin, now 15, $10, $195.
He has a pile down there. That's his area.
We sell that?
Yeah, we can sell it.
There you go.
Set your towing, alignment. Yep, wheel liner.
Buying a wheel liner.
Buying this wheel liner hanging here.
50 and go, 10 to the bin, 20 and go, 20 to the bin, 20 to the bin, 20 to the bin, $10 and go, 10 to the bin, 5 to the bin, 5 to the bin. Where do you find them? $2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 10, 12, 15, 15, 20 to the bin, 15, $12, $265.
That's also.
Yeah.
Yep. We got all kind of files, chisels,
Punch holder.
punch holders. Yep.
Hammer, there you go, 50, 20 to the bin, 20 to the bin, 10, 10 to the bin, 10, 12, 10 to the bin, 12, 10 to the bin, 12, 10 to the bin, 12, $10, 160.
We got a air buffer. We have paint guns.
Quarter power piece, maybe? I don't know, there you go, 50, $10 and go, 10 to the bin, 12, 10, 12, 15, 15, 17, 20, 22, 25, 27, 30, 32, 35, 32, 5, 32 to the bin, 5, $32, $195, $195. He has part of the stack down there too, somewhere.
Impact tools.
There you go, that old tray lot. Snap ring pliers, alcohol, picks, everything there. 20 and go. 20 to the bin, 20 to the bin, 20 to the bin, $10 and go. 10 to the bin, 10 to the bin, 5, out of the bin, 7, out of the bin, 7, out of the bin, 7, 10, 12, 15, 17, 20, 17, 20, $17, 152, 152.
We have air hammer.
Air hammer.
We have nut drivers and bits.
Getting old.
Selling.
There you go, nut driver, bed, and an air hammer. 20 and go, 20 to the bin, 20 to the bin, 20 to the bin, 20 to the bin, crash, 20 to the bin, Black & Decker, 10, 10, 10, 10, 5.
Yeah.
7, bottom of the bin, 7, bottom of the bin, 7, bottom of the bin, 7. Now 10, 12, 15, 15, 17, 17, 20, 22, 25, 27, now 30, 27, 30, $27. 173, 173.
We have a Craftsman snap ring plier kit.
Real nice.
Yes, three sizes and all your tips.
There you go, more tips. 20 and go, 20 to the bin, 20 to the bin, 20 to the bin, 20 to the bin, $10 and go, 10 to the bin, 5, 5 to the bin, 5 to the bin, 7, 5 to the bin, 7, 5 to the bin, 7, 10, 10, 12, 15, 15, 12 to the bin, 15, $12.
232.
232. There's grease on the bottom of that, I think.
I think you got it.
Oh, I might have.
We have your digital inspection camera.
There you go.
That's your scope.
$10 and go, 10 to the bin, 10 to the bin, 5, 5 to the bin, 5 to the bin, 5 to the bin, 7, 5 to the bin, 7, 5 to the bin, 5, 7, 5 to the bin, 7, $5, 164.
What is it?
Inspection camera.
the number.
164.
It's
Hey, pair of jacks.
Pair of jacks with the handles.
$10 and go, 10 to the bin, 10 to the bin, 5, 5 to the bin, 5, bottle jacks, $5 for the pair, 5 to the bin, $2 and go, 10 to the bin, 10 to the bin, bottle jacks.
Oh, bottle drop hammer handles.
Whole bottle jacks.
Oh,
Bottle jacks and handles.
$2 and go, 10 to the bin, 2 to the bin, 3, 10 to the bin, now 3, 10 to the bin, now 3, $2 to the bin.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.